Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we've got another amazing gaming laptop, the Lenovo Legion 7i. With 2.3 GHz base and up to 5.3 GHz with turbo boost. It's got an HDR 15.6 inch FHD anti-glare screen with 500 nits brightness and 240 Hz refresh rate. Hopefully that's going to give us some really good FPS. 32 GB of 2933 MHz DDR4 RAM and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Supermax Q graphics card with 8 GB of video RAM. Remove for documents. Sales order. Legion 7i 15 inch. Alright. Let's do this. Alright, let's check this out. First, we've got this small little box on the side. Let's see what's in here. Kind of heavy, whatever it is. Looks like we've got a power cable and the power brick itself. It's got some nice weight to it. See right here, it's a 20-30 watt power brick. Not too heavy. And now for the main event. This video was not sponsored by Lenovo, but I would like to thank the actual sponsor of this video, Viper Antivirus. Oh, I can already tell this is going to be pretty. Look at that. Oh, nice. It's got this really cool iridescent reflective pattern on the logo. Very cool. They did a really cool job on the presentation of the box. Now for my favorite part, removing the plastic. Okay, it had a plastic covering over the sticker that's used to remove the plastic. That's efficient. Ooh, look at that. Nice little sticker to create a cool little rip down the side. Just enough of a hole to pry it open. That's a beautiful box. Look at that. Just beautiful. It's got a really nice reflective logo on the front lid. And for the main event. Ooh, it's got some clothing on it. Ooh, it's a really soft fabric. Alright, you guys ready for this? Whoosh. Ooh, that's pretty. See, the chassis is made out of metal. The lid's made out of metal. Bottom's made out of metal. Got your grill right here. Well, it didn't take long to get fingerprints on it. But before we open that up, we're gonna see what else is in the box. Got your setup guide. Looks like they're being green. We've got a QR code for an e-manual, and then your safety and warranty guide. All right, let's put the box to the side and check this baby out. La. The hinge tension feels pretty nice. It's got a little bit of a wobble in it. You got to take it to about 5 degrees before it closes itself. Okay. Legion Ultimate Support. Enjoy ultimate support and coverage at no cost. The actual typing on the keys feel pretty nice, but something about the shape of these keys feels kind of weird. Not really used to that rounded bottom, and the gap in between the keys themselves is a little bit different than what I'm used to. Arrow keys feel pretty good. You can see how much they really squeezed in these number keys. So if you use your number pad a lot, these number keys are going to feel kind of weird to you. I don't know why eSupport got their own special sticker. That's kind of weird. So it looks like your hotkeys FN plus Q cycle between your quiet and cool mode, and your auto mode, and your performance but hot mode. So that opens 180 degrees. Look at that. That's beautiful. Got really thick nubs here on the back and then 2 smaller nubs here on the front. So it looks like it's got a lot of height here on the back nub, which should give it enough breathing room in order for these fans to take in as much air as possible. And then you've got 2 speakers here on the bottom. On the back you've got a mini lock port, your power connector, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports, your Ethernet port, and an HDMI port, and then 2 exhaust vents. Then on the right side you've got another exhaust port, a Thunderbolt 3 port, a USB-C port, and a headphone jack. And then on the left side, another exhaust vent, and an always-on USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port, and a Lenovo buttonhole. And then on the inside, it's got even more exhaust vents. Glass touchpad feels pretty good. Clicks feel really nice. Wow, it's got a really deep click. I like me some deep clicks. This is probably one of the clickiest touchpads I've ever used. She is a beaut though. That's a pretty laptop. You can see we've got LED lights around the edge. I wonder how good that's gonna look. It's got a 720p camera at the top, a camera light, and even a camera cover for those of you that want to be extra secure. I wanted to do this without the cords, but I guess it was shipped with 0 battery. Okay, now that we have power, let's turn this on. Flatten this out for you guys so you can see it too. Ooh, I like that little radial spectrum it's got.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
We are getting everything ready for you. This might take several minutes. Don't turn off your PC.
Lenovo recommends McAfee antivirus to help you stay safe and protected. No, I think I'm going to install Viper antivirus because they're sponsoring this video. Lenovo Vantage. This UI is a pretty nice design, showing our CPU usage, our RAM usage, GPU, SSD, got network boost, auto close, hybrid mode, overdrive, touchpad lock, rapid charge. What is rapid charge? Why isn't that always on? Wi-Fi security. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. So when you hit the function key, only the keys that you can pair with the function key stay lit up. You can see there on the screen what it's doing with the thermal modes, and then function spacebar switches between your different lighting animations. And then to adjust the lighting on the keyboard individually, you go to the IQ app. Instant lighting, what is that? Exactly what it sounds like. Instant colors on your keyboard. You can go down here into your lighting effects, color pulse, color wave, visor. Ooh, nice. Rain. Ooh, that's cool. Getting close on that. That's pretty sweet. And now we're gonna take a look at the internals. This thing absorbs fingerprints like crazy. All right, to remove the back, we just need to remove these 10 tiny little screws with a small Phillips head screwdriver. So right here, we've got our two M.2 slots. Our 2 sticks of RAM are located underneath this plate. Very thin fans right here. Got our speakers, our massive 78 watt-hour battery. You can see for the thermals right here on the M.2s, there's actually these little thermal pads that connect to that. And then this entire bottom acts as a giant heat spreader. Pretty cool. Oh wow, it's sticky. And then we've got our Wi-Fi card right here. Overall, pretty tight internals. They managed to cram everything in there pretty nice. Guys, make sure to drop by on Wednesday at 10 a.m. CST for our 2-hour live benchmarks, and on Friday for our full in-depth review of this machine. Also, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications turned on, because every Friday I do a giveaway that randomly selects someone who's interacted with my channel. And the winner for this week is...
My Newegg.
Thanks for watching, guys. I love you guys. God bless.